खुदा ने आज तक उस कौम की हालत नहीं बदली, न हो जिसको ख्याल आप अपनी हालत के बदलने का। Respected audience, esteemed teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to discuss an important topic. Let's change Pakistan. Honorable Chief Guest. This is not just a slogan, but a mission, a responsibility that concerns all of us. We are living in a time when our country is facing numerous challenges. These problems do not just belong to the government or a few people, but they are common to all of us. In the light of the Quran and Hadith, we are clearly instructed that it is essential to strive to improve our condition ourselves. As Allah Almighty has said in the Holy Quran, indeed, Allah does not change the condition of a people until they change what is in themselves. Surah Arad 11. This verse teaches us that change is not imposed from above. Rather, it must arise from within, from the hearts and minds of the people. Today, we need this very change. Honorable Chief Guest. In the current circumstances, Pakistan is facing countless challenges. We are dealing with issues such as poverty, ignorance, corruption, injustice, and unemployment. These problems are not just due to the government's failure, but also due to a lack of self-accountability and awareness within our nation. We are a nation that desires change, but falls behind in taking practical steps. This attitude must change. We must realize that until we improve our own character, habits, and way of life, our nation and our country cannot move towards progress. As the poet beautifully said, light the flame of knowledge and skill in every heart. Without this light, there will be darkness everywhere. Honorable Chief Guest, the first thing that can become the foundation of change is education. Education gives an individual awareness, instills the ability to distinguish between right and wrong, and makes them a productive citizen for their society. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "Seeking knowledge is an obligation upon every Muslim, male and female." Ibn Majah. We must provide our children with quality education so they can keep pace with the world. Education is the power that elevates nations, while ignorance is the chain that drags them into the depths of decline. Honorable Chief Guest, the Prophet Muhammad PBUH said, "Nations before you were destroyed because when a noble person committed a crime, they were left unpunished, but when a weak person committed a crime, they were punished." Sahih Bukhari. If we want to change Pakistan today, we must first strengthen the system of justice. Our judicial system should be transparent, where every citizen can receive equal justice, whether they are poor or rich. The elimination of corruption and the promotion of honesty should be our top priority because as long as a society is not based on justice, the dream of progress cannot be realized. Honorable Chief Guest, today our country is divided by sectarianism, ethnic conflicts, and political interests. We must remember that our true strength lies in unity. Allah Almighty has said in the Quran, "And hold firmly to the rope of Allah all together and do not become divided." Surah Al-Imran 103. We must rise above all forms of sectarianism and prejudice and think and act as one nation. If we think and act as one, no obstacle will be able to stand in our way. Today there is an urgent need to foster national solidarity and brotherhood among us. Honorable Chief Guest, we must cultivate a spirit of self-accountability within ourselves. We need to reflect on what we have done for our country so far. Have we fulfilled our responsibilities? Have we been negligent in our duties? If we adopt self-accountability, we will surely succeed in changing our condition. Honorable Chief Guest, to realize the great dream of Pakistan, we must start with ourselves. Instead of looking to others for change, we need to light our own lamps. May our resolve in this journey lead us towards a better and prosperous Pakistan. I conclude my speech with this verse by Allama Iqbal. मोहब्बत मुझे उन जवानों से हैं जो सितारों पे डालते हैं कमंद. Thank you.